Hey YouTube, found a little vise at an antique store this weekend. I looked it up, the number, I found one, looks like it's in English, made in England or something. And number 1A, and I think it might be a record, an English record vise, I'm not sure, but that's kind of what I gathered from the, what I could get off the Google. But it looks like it's steel. I only paid 15 bucks for it. Thought I'd take a chance and just took it apart, cleaned it up. And it's interesting in the fact that it's so small, but yet it's built like, a larger vise. With the enclosed screw here. And I don't know that hole, that looks original. It may be to lube the screw, I guess. I don't know. Other than these markings and this, I don't see any more markings on it. It's in decent shape. I don't see any cracks. I wouldn't have bought it if there were cracks, but not much to it. And it's got these little raised areas on the bottom. And I can only guess that's to keep it off the bench, but yet you still got to screw it down. I don't think it had a swivel base on it at any time, but I could be wrong about that. Got a couple issues. Got that issue right there. That right there. But the screw doesn't look too worn. Handle's nice and straight. Had a spring and a cotter pin in it. That's all holding this thing together. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.